Welcome to another edition of Tesla Tips and Trips. On this episode, we have got something really exciting to share with you. Well, it's exciting for me anyway. All right, guys, for weeks I have been seeing on the Facebook groups everyone having so much fun with the new update 2021.24.4, and I, even as a YouTuber, well, a relatively new YouTuber, let's be honest, didn't have it. I've been waiting and checking my phone, and every afternoon, usually my updates come on Friday afternoons for whatever reason. I'm not sure why. Checking my phone, checking the car, restarting the car, and finally, it's here. It's here. I can't wait. Oh my gosh. Yes! All right, I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. I've been waiting this long. Why would I not install it, right? Here we go. Install now. What's gonna happen? Don't break the car, don't break the car, don't break the car. A countdown begins. 2021.24.4. I can't wait for all the Disney Plus goodness and car wash mode, which I'll never use because I hand wash, but I'll share with you how it works. Oh my. Now the waiting begins. 20 minutes. Oh, it's still going. I'm still waiting. Just update already. Here we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! Oh, wait. No, just a software update. There it is. It's coming through. Do not drive until complete. I think I'll heed that warning. Okay, it just updated. We're going to hop inside and take a look at all the goodies. Okay, let's take a look at the release notes, I guess, first. To see what's new in this big, huge update that everyone on the planet got except us, which is kind of sucky, but oh well. Loading up the release notes. Here we go. I've been waiting for this. Disney Plus. The kids love it. Now it's going to be on the screen automatically. Now we've got car wash mode, which closes all the windows, locks the charge port, and oh, I love that. Even when you're washing at home, locks the charge port. That has been driving me nuts for years now, and disables the windshield wipers, Sentry mode, walk-away door locks, and parking center chimes. The automatic car washer, oh, so it's got separate features for both automatic and hand wash, so that is going to be cool. The locking the charge port door is huge for me, because it happens every time I'm wiping down and all of a sudden the port opens. And then it takes forever to close again. I don't understand. All right, so that's good. Mirror auto dim, which I thought we already had. You can now enable and disable automatic dimming for your mirrors to access tab controls, mirrors, and mirror auto dim. I think I'm going to use that. That sounds pretty cool. DashCam improvements. DashCam can now be automatically saved clips wherever your vehicle detects an occurrence of safety events, such as accident or airbag deployment. I thought it was doing that already, but I guess now it's official. Recordings captured are stored locally and never transmitted to Tesla. To opt in, tap Controls, Safety, Security, DashCam Auto. To learn more about how to set up DashCam, please refer to the owner's manual. What's that? Owner's manual? Never heard of it. Okay. Range display. I am so excited about this. I've been reading about it. I know it's pretty simple, but to be able to switch back and forth just automatically like that is going to be so awesome, especially on road trips. I've showed you in the past videos that there's a trick on showing both anyway, but now it's just a tap. I love it. I love it. I hope, maybe. You guys, guess you got to, oh, you got to tap the actual number, not the battery. Okay, interesting. I'm learning right along with you. Very cool. Remain connected to Wi-Fi in Drive. This is huge for those that don't want to pay for the premium data package. To remain connected to Wi-Fi when shifting into gear, tap the Wi-Fi icon. Wi-Fi settings, remain connected in Drive. This is especially useful for users that wish to use their hotspots for connectivity. So it's right there in the release notes that they're okay with it, I guess. If you want to use your phone for that, feel free. I have the premium package. It's $9.99. I don't mind it. It's cool. But I don't know, maybe down the road, this might be a way to go. I'm not sure. Oh, and this is always exciting. New language support, and I've never heard of any of those. Okay, this looks like somewhat of a Russian flag. Hungarian, Romanian, and Russian. Hey, I was right. Update your language settings, tap controls, display, select desired language drop-down menu. This is really cool that this car is becoming so international. I mean, it really is. Let's be honest. That's so awesome. So very cool. All right, so in the coming days and weeks, we're going to go through all these features that we've been waiting so long, at least I have. Disney Plus in the Tesla Theater. Launch Tesla Theater, tap the entertainment icon, application launcher, and select theater while your car is in park. Obviously, you got to log in and have your Disney Plus stuff. But some good stuff in here. It's not a tiny update. If I think back to 2019 when I took delivery of this car and all of the things that have been updated along the way via software, it's really astonishing. I mean, you buy any other car on the market, and the car you buy on day one is the car you trade in on the last day. It's not much improvement in terms of functionality. I mean, the amount of functionality that has come to this car in just a couple of years is just, it's freaking awesome! All right, that is your short tour of 2021.24.4. In the coming weeks, we are certainly going to check out all of these features in depth, but I just wanted to do a quick overview of what we're seeing so far on this update. All right, that does it for this edition of Tesla Tips and Trips. Just a quick overview of the latest update. We hadn't gotten it yet. It was frustrating. I wanted to share it with you guys. So if you haven't had a chance to check it out, I'm glad you did this time. Feel free to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. All of those things help us out. If you hit the subscription button, you'll know when we get new stuff. The bell is immediately, and of course, hit like on every video that you see from Tesla Tips and Trips. We will catch you on the next video. We've got a trip planned. We're going to throw that in the mix. And thank you so much for joining us on the channel. We'll see you next time.